Hi guys, welcome to Cognitive Hub SQL Tutorials. In this video, I am going to explain about one more operator in SQL, that is nothing but a in operator, and how in works in SQL. I am going to explain in this video with the help of a query example. Now without wasting any time, let's dive into the topic. Okay guys, here what I did was I have created a new table known as products table here. So I am checking it. First of all, select star from products. I want to run this. So these are the contents. Yeah, what I did was I have created a new table known as products here, and here we have three columns here. One is p underscore name and p underscore month, as well as p underscore price. Here p underscore name and p underscore month are varchar. So here I haven't specified any constants here, just for the illustration purpose only I have created this table, and I have inserted a couple of total of 9 records here, 8 records here. What I did was I have inserted a price values of Redmi Note 8 for the March, April and May, and prices of OnePlus 70 for March and April. Similarly for Realme X2 for March, April and May. So for all these three mobile phones, I have inserted the prices for the each month for these 3 months. Now what I want to do is I want to check for the value, like I want to illustrate to the in operator, usage of in operator. Now what I am doing is, here I have entered like select star from products. Now what I want is I want the products which are present in the particular group. Suppose I want to retrieve the all the products which are belongs to, suppose if that particular month is belongs to January, February and March. So what happens is we have 3 months totally here. That means January, February, March in the group. In the group we need to check each and column with these 3 values. If any of this month is matches with the already presented table, like presented month, then we are going to print it in our output. So how to do that I am going to explain in this video now. Now what I am trying to say is select star from table is products, where normally we specify the where some condition as p underscore month is equal to some March. Suppose let us assume that if p underscore month is March, then we are going to print the output. That means whenever the month is March, we printed the output here for all the 3 mobile phones. Now what I want to do is, instead of directly writing it as March, now I want to check in a group of values. Suppose p underscore month is belongs to what I am trying to do is, where p underscore month in, suppose if this p underscore month is present in these 3 values, then I am going to print that particular record in the output. So I am checking it for January and March and then April. What I am doing is, here I have written here I have written total of 3 months. Now what it is internally doing is, here previously we have written the condition like p underscore month is equal to March. Now what happens in the previous query is, whenever that particular record is matches particular record p underscore month is matches with the month of March, then it is going to print it in our output. Now what it is doing is, whenever that p underscore month is belongs to either of this month specified here, either suppose p underscore month is either January or March or April, then it is going to print it in our output. So what happens is, here the first thing is March. So March will be compared in these 3 months. March is equal to January, no, and March is equal to March, yeah, it is specified, it is validated to one record, one element in this 3 elements. Now the first record is matched. Similarly the second one, here month is April, here in these 3 values we have April is also there. Now it is also get compared and it is also be in the output. So similarly, if you have month as January, and it is also gets printed in the output. So let us run this query. Let us see the output. So if you observe that, we have all the records having the month as March and as well as April. Similarly, you can also specify the conditions here. Suppose if I want to check for p underscore prices or something like that. Suppose I want to check here for p underscore like name, and the name is Redmi, and another one is Redmi Note 8, and then normally one plus. So what I am doing is, here it will check every mobile name with the all the three values present here. You can write as many as values in this particular value here, and I am running it. If you run this, it will only print all the Redmi Note 8 mobiles, because it is only there in the Redmi Note 8, and remaining all the values are different from the like existing records in our table. Suppose we can also write the inner query also here. Suppose what happens is, select star from products where p underscore name in. You can also specify the condition here. What I want to do is, select p underscore month from like products. You can again write the conditions here, where some p underscore month is greater than 20,000. So I am running this. So you didn't get any values here. I am changing this to 40,000, where p underscore price is greater than 40,000. Sorry, here what we are getting is, p underscore name name, p underscore month. Here we need to change a little bit here. I am running this. So if you observe this, what happens is, here first of all it will check for the inner query. What inner query is doing, previously what we did was, for p underscore month in, we specified the 3 months here as January, March and April, but here we are specifying a new a new query, that means nested query here. What the nested query will return, it will return the values related to the whatever the column that you specified here in the where clause. Now what it is specifying is, it is going to return the p underscore month value for having after satisfying the condition p underscore price is greater than 40,000. Now it will specify all the p underscore months where p underscore price is greater than 40,000. That means it will return these two records only, that means March and April. Now in the output we get all the records having month as March and April, and we don't get the May values here. So this is how it will work. The in operator will work. Similarly, you can also specify the not in operator as well. So if you specify the not in front of the in, and what it will do is, previously we got March and April results. Now it is just a it was just a contradiction of the in operator. So if I run this, I only get the May values here. So this is how it will get that. That means in is nothing but opposite to not in, and not in is nothing but opposite to in. So this is how the in operator and not in operator will work in SQL. So that's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching.